Okay, let's get this thing off. We're gonna have to figure a way to get a ladder up there and see if we can't get that one fixed. Oh, you know what? Can you carefully grab those light fixtures that are over there? Let's bring them over and put them on the trailer here, and we'll work on them on the trailer. We'll get them retapped. My truck was saying it's 70 degrees.
Oh, you're like, no way. I wish.
Well, inside of it was. But yeah. I don't know if I grab the ratchet set. We should be okay though without it. I think I've got another set in here. Go ahead and put it right up on there. You want to hop up and let's lay this one on its side, and then we'll get the other one here in a minute too. See if we can lay it on the side and lay it off the edge so we can do all of these. Right there. So what I do when I buy it like that, so in case I need them in the future, I tape the bit with that. Yep. And so I'm gonna give you this one because you'll probably need it one of these days. It's a 1/4 tab. Okay. So that goes in your tool bag or in the van, whatever. Let's put this stuff up there.
You want both our bags up there?
Just mine's fine. Yep. I grabbed it in my bag.
Oh, I was going to ask if they were in there.
That's I said, yep.
Oh,
Okay, it's fine right there. Okay, let's grab one of them and bring it up over here and let's feed it in here. Do them one at a time because I don't want to be driving around with them too much. Thank you. We need to open up that trim too. Yeah. Go ahead and, yeah, let's open that up. Okay, there you go. You're going in the bolt. It's going in. Okay, just screw it in, just let me get down.
I can't screw it in.
Okay, I know, okay, leave it there. Yeah, those, the way they threaded, they might be. I've got one too, but we'll have to find it. We'll have to get them out in a second. Yeah, this one's almost in. Okay, now.
Yeah, that I know there's like silicone in there and stuff. I don't know what's what. I don't know what these.
Okay. We'll need to look and see what we got in there. have you pull the van up inside there to block them coming out and hitting us. All right, turn around, spin.
You want that part?
Yeah, it makes it easier for me, especially with my hand. Oh, we got it. I'll take this. You grab the ratchet set, and I'll work on this for a minute. Then we're gonna come around the other side and get that other one, and then we'll tighten those up. We just can't lower down on that gate. As far down as we can go. Give me a flat screwdriver. Yeah. Just need these things out of our way for safety. I hate to, but got to.
That's the only reason I think you would do it.
Try to remember to use your legs more than anything. Hold on, set it down right there for a second. Okay. Where's that opening? There's that opening.
I haven't read at all. You do. Okay.
Okay.
Do you need to walk it in?
Yeah, I want fender washers on them. Those got dirty. They'll get cleaned off with the rain. But hell no.